Welcome to our webinar, Be the Next Top Performing Vendor. I'm sure everyone in this room would like to increase their performance and perform better, and so we are here to help. Before we begin, we will be sending you a short survey at the end of this session. Let us know how we can do better and if there are any interesting topics you would like to cover in the future. If you have any questions, feel free to drop in the chat. We will attend to your questions then. Keen to learn regarding foodpanda tools that can better help you in your business? Head over to University on Restaurant Portal to learn more. Here's what to expect for today's session. We will start with a case study, tell you how we can be more impressionable, what is a customer recovery charge, how can we become a top performing vendor, and finally our conclusion. So without further ado, let's begin. Let's start with a case study here. Here's a local cuisine ABT store owner, a small local cuisine in Hong Kong. He's constantly fixed and caught up cooking with no one except him that is trained to use the device. He is left with an outdated menu and not able to respond in time. All these has caused his business to stagnate and not improve, but he is keen to learn how he can do better. Also, did you know all these contributes to delays in orders and in worst cases to vendor failed orders? According to our survey, 92% of rejected customers do not reorder. Want to know how you can turn away from this and keep customers coming back for more? Stay on with us. We bring you through becoming the top performing vendors with some simple actionables. Moving on to chapter 2, be impressionable and what it takes to do that. What it is that commonly causes to high order delays and high order fails. We found users that are new to foodpanda are unfamiliar with the tools and do not know how to accept incoming orders. Having outdated menu and products that are no longer available leads to failed orders. Restaurant is closed or busy and that you did not update your opening hours or switch your status, lead to delays and failed orders. Lastly, ignoring your GoDroid device and not accepting orders on time lead to delays and failed orders. So, what's the importance of avoiding failed orders and order delays? Why do we stress so much? There's a saying, you will never get a second chance to make a first impression. Here are the top 3 reasons of why you should avoid delays and failed orders. Avoid unnecessary additional cost that leads to reduction in potential profits. Avoiding bad customer experience. High failed order deters customers from coming back for your great food. So we don't want to fall into this. Here in chapter 3, we will uncover charges under customer recovery charge that are to be fined. What is customer recovery charge? CRC. In short, it's a penalty for rejecting orders that are fully within a restaurant's control. Charges reasoning can vary, and here's some of the reasoning for CRC charges. When does it incur? It incurs when a customer orders and your store is closed. It incurs when you have neglected your GoDroid device and did not accept the order. A dish is out of stock and you have already accepted the order. You respond to the order in time, or if it's a missing item in an order. So, CRC will not be deducted for any delayed orders. CRC will not be will only be incurred if the rejected order are in your control. Penalties. So here's some of the example when CRC will not incur. If there is an excessive delay in an order, CRC will not incur. Riders tapping on delivered before customer has received the order. Unsuccessful or failed orders due to the fact that the customer did not meet the age requirement, or due to if we are sending restricted goods, for example, wine or alcohol, as these are not fully under your control. In the next section, we will explore how you can take simple actionable steps to be the next top performing vendor. Wow. Do you have any questions? If you do, please post them on the chat and we are happy to address them. Oh, we have a question from the floor. How do I change my restaurant's operating hours just for today? So each day, you will get a reminder on your GoDroid device 30 minutes before your opening time. Tap Open Restaurant when you're ready to open. If you don't check in, your restaurant will remain closed until you check in. This is to avoid disappointing customers. If you'd like to temporarily stop incoming orders, you may switch your restaurant status to busy, which will pause your orders for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you will be prompted to check in again to bring your restaurant back online. We also have created a daily checklist for you and your team, and we believe this daily checklist will power you up and improve your efficiency at work. These are the main important steps you should check before starting your day. We have also done up a checklist for you, which are downloaded and printable under your handouts for your day-to-day routine. With these, it will increase your efficiency and start your day right with these simple actionables. So it starts with a device that should be plugged in with a strong Wi-Fi connection, and ringer is switched on, it's loud and clear. Printer having a sufficient paper roll connected to the device, and menu, it's stated it's up to date, and if there are any items that are needed to be activated or deactivated, please do so accordingly. Here's some best practices how to achieve excellence and maximum efficiency. Update your menu and opening hours regularly. If need to be, avoid receiving orders when your kitchen is closed. If you are too busy during lunch or dinner crowd, remember to switch up your restaurant status to prevent bad customer experience and missing any orders. Having a strong connectivity is key. Stay plugged in, as this will ensure you receive all orders that come through. Turn it up. Always ensure your device is loud so that you don't miss out any incoming orders. If you have an unavailable item, here's what you can do. Under GoDroid device, select menu availability. Then toggle to your desired menu category. Select whichever item this is currently unavailable and toggle the status accordingly. Toggle it unavailable today, unavailable indefinitely, so that we know what's the status of this item. What else you can do on menu management and restaurant portal? So you can go through this menu management, and these are the things that we can do here. If you want more information on menu management, we have got guides on how to utilize this menu management function on restaurant portal. We also have a new refreshed menu management webinar coming up. You don't want to miss this and sign up for free at the end of the webinar. Scan this QR code to see our guides. Get familiar with performance dashboard. This will help you to understand with the overall restaurant health. With a better understanding of your restaurant's overall health, this will maximize your overall operation efficiency. Do you know you get rewarded for good performance? Top performing outlets will get promoted to customers in the dedicated popular near you swim lane. You can maximize your earning potential and find out order rejection reasons and how you can increase your conversion rate. You can use these dashboards that are currently available in the restaurant portal. The dashboard and operation report provide you an insights on areas of improvement, understand your operations, sales, and revenue metrics. This will allow you to be in tip-top condition always. And utilize these tools we have on Restaurant Portal to better understand your overall restaurant health. You can do so by following the steps. On Restaurant Portal, toggle to window on how outlet health check. On the main dashboard, make use of the overview key metrics to better understand areas of improvement. So, for example, here it's showing what exactly is your order rejection rate and what's your target to be in the good health for a restaurant. What exactly is your restaurant acceptance time, restaurant delay rate. So please use this restaurant health page and also our operations sales operations report that we just recently launched. Operational metrics where you can understand better the average food preparation time that you take in the day so that you can manage your manpower and time with more efficiency. Restaurant delay rate, understand your peak periods to manage your operations. Average restaurant acceptance time, gain insight on which time periods get more orders. Chapter, we will highlight the importance of having good reviews on foodpanda platform and simple actionables you can do to get there. So, are you ready to be an all-star? So why the importance of good reviews and ratings? Attract new fan base. You will be able to attract new fan base. Do you know highly rated vendors get 2.4 times more orders per month compared to lower rating orders? With the reward system, your store will have increased visibility. Also, a fun fact, 4 to 5 star ratings get 3.8 times higher order value than restaurant with low star rating stores. So, lastly, with a good star rating, you will be able to unlock additional growth tools to further scale up your business on foodpanda platform. So, what are we waiting for? Here's some tips and tricks you can do to stand out from the crowd. Always meet your customer expectation by providing accurate dish photos and portion sizes to meet the customer expectations. Always pay attention to details. Never let the customers down. Observe order notes, especially if it's an allergy or special instructions. Take care if the order notes are allergy related. Enhance customer experience. Consider leaving a note to thank them for their purchase or provide a code exclusive discount for their next order. Are you ready to be an all-star? I guess yes. Useful links for which you can scan them to access them on to know about how we can do better. For a restaurant portal, a one-stop platform for us to understand and manage your business, operations and performance. University guides, a step-by-step guide and videos for you to get started on. Finally, University YouTube, where you can our YouTube channel for helpful video tutorials. Thank you, and I hope this session was really useful for you guys. And we will hope that our performance will be better in the coming days. Thank you.